after reciting the 12 namas, in the end, you will see what you will get. She clears the karma and helps you to attain your goals. Kindly take the Sri Vidya Upasana and recite the powerful mantras of Varahi Devi. It will bestow wonderful powers on you. Hari Om Shri Matre Namaha. So in my previous video, I have given a brief introduction about Varahi Amma and how you can celebrate the Varahi Navratri with this mantras. So I gave you two mantras, like one is the Gayatri mantra, another one is a very simple mantra which doesn't need the initiation. Those of you who have missed our previous video, kindly go and see. So I have given how Varahi is connected with our Kundalini chakra, because of late we have been pondering about the different Kundalini chakras, and I wish to give more on those Kundalini chakras. So how Varahi Devi is connected with our Kundalini chakra. She is an Agneya, that is, she belongs to the third eye, so Varahi Devi. Now, in this podcast, we are going to see a very powerful stotram which you can recite easily, okay, during this Varahi Navaratri, which gives you 12 namas of Varahi Devi. That is Varahi Dvadasha Nama Stotram. So, after reciting the 12 namas, in the end, you will see what you will get, because the Palashruti has been given in the end. So see the complete thing, don't miss or any nama, because all the 12 namas are very, very important and it will bestow wonderful powers on you. Okay, so let me start with a Varahi Dvadasa Nama Stotram. Asya Sri Varahi Dvadasha Nama Stotrasya Ashvanana Rishihi. So always you invoke the Rishi on your head. Anushtup Chandaha on your face. Sri Varahi Devata at your heart. Sri Varahi Prasada Siddhyartam Sarva Sankataharana Jape Viniyogaha. So she will remove all the Sankatam. Sarva Sankataharana Jape Viniyogaha. See, the Viniyoga is within you. So you keep your hands like this and Viniyogaha. So the japa is Viniyogaham to you. Okay. Now we are going into the namas. Panchami Dandanatha cha Sanketa Samayeshwari Tata Samaya Sanketa Varahi Potrini Shiva Vatali cha Mahasena Agnya Chakreshwari Tata Arigni Cheti Samproktam Nama Dvadashakam Mune. See the namas, the 12 namas we will see. Panchami, the first nama is Panchami. So Panchami, the 5, she belongs to the 5th Tithi, lunar date, that is Panchami Tithi. And all the Pancha principles, okay, the creation, the sustenance, the destruction, the annihilation and recreation. So all the 5. Pancha Tanmatra, the 5 senses. Pancha Jnanendriya, Pancha Karmendriya, Pancha Prana, all the 5. She belongs to the Panchami, especially the Pancha Tanmatra. What is the Pancha Tanmatra? Pancha Tanmatra Sayaka. So what you see? You convert the energy of your body through your eyes. The biomagnetism is converted through your eyes, through your ears. Okay, the smelling sense, the taste sense, isn't it? So all these five, the touch sense. So she is known as Panchami. The fifth lunar day is best day to worship Varahi Devi, and the worship of Varahi Devi is mostly done during the night time. And if you wish to take a Sri Vidya Upasana, kindly take the Sri Vidya Upasana and recite the powerful mantras of Varahi Devi with a proper initiation. Okay, and the next thing it says as that is Panchami Dandanathascha. So she's known as the Dandanatha because she came from the Danda Shakti of Lalitama. So the stick, and she is always holding a stick in her hand. So Panchami Dandanatha cha Sanketa. So the third nama is Sanketa. So she readily eradicates karmas. Sanketa. So she eradicates, digs the karma and cleanses them. Sanketa Samayeshwari. So Samaya Ishwari, Samayam, on timely help. So she gives you timely help. Samayeshwari Tata Samaya Sanketa. So the next nama is Samaya Sanketa. So she clears the karma. She clears the karma and helps you to attain your goals. Samaya Sanketa Barahi. Barahi, Baraha Mukham. So she has the boar face. Barahi. She is the Shakti of the Varaha avatar of Mahavishnu. Okay, so her name is Barahi Potrini. Again, she is boar faced. Okay, and she has a boar face and has the ability to fight. Potrini Shiva, the most auspicious one. Mangalam, she is Shiva. Bhatali cha, cha means and. Bhatali cha, she lifts up. See, you would have seen her pictures with her tusk. She'll be lifting the whole earth. So she lifts you up. Bhatali cha. So she lifts you up, takes you out of darkness and renders you with knowledge or enlightens you. Mahasena. So she is Senapati. Senapati, Mahasena. Okay, so she leads the Sena of Lalitama. So she is Senapati, she's a fighter. So Mahasena, Agnya Chakreshwari Tata. So as I told you, she belongs to the Agnya Chakra, commander-in-chief. So she is Agnya Chakreshwari Tata. Arigni. So Arigni removes the negativity, the fear from you. She removes the fear. She has the Abhaya Varada Hastam. So she removes the fear from you. Arigni che iti. That's only what we say, the cheti. Samproktam nama Dvadashakam Mune. So these are the 12 namas of Varahi Devi. I'll once again repeat only the namas for you. Okay. So it is a Sankata Harana Jape Viniyogaha. Panchami Dandanatha cha Sanketa Samayeshwari Tata Samaya Sanketa Varahi Potrini Shiva Bhatali cha Mahasena Agnya Chakreshwari Tata Arigni Cheti Samproktam Namadvadashakam Mune Namadvadashatabhignya Vajra Panjaramadhyakaha. See, the one who recites this 12 namas will be put inside a strong cage of Vajram, that is diamond. You know, the hardest, the highest density, having a substance having the highest density is diamond. So the person who chants this stotram will be put inside a diamond cage. In the sense, you should visualize a big, strong, powerful protection against you. Nama dvadashata bhignya vajramadhyaka sankate. So when you're in a sankatam, you will be protected. I think I should recall one person got saved when the whole flight was, it's very sad, of course, but some protection that person had, like that. When we have the kavacham of Devi and all the devas, we will be protected. Sankate dukkhamapnoti na gadachana manavaha. So you will not get dukkha, you will not get dukkha. Iti Varahi Dvadasa Nama Stotram Sampurnam. So I'll read the second verse. Nama Dvadashata Bhignya Vajra Pancharamadhyakaha Sankate Dukkhamapnoti Na Gadachana Manavaha. So you will not have any dukkham and you will have the great protection of Varahi Devi. Iti Varahi Dvadasa Nama Stotram Sampurnam. So we are concluding the Varahi Dvadasa Nama Stotram. Kindly recite these 12 namas of Varahi Devi and offer your puja to Varahi Devi during this Navaratri. Sri Matre Namaha.